Subscribe to JA Knowledge Hub and click on the bell icon to never miss the video updates.
Hi friends, welcome to JA Knowledge Hub. Today I'm going to show you how to block someone in Gmail. So first of all, you need to be logged in to your Gmail account and then click on the mail from the one whom you want to block. So in my case, I'll take Moodscope as an example. Click on the mail. On the right side, you'll have more options. Click on it and then click on block Moodscope. So now it will ask for a confirmation. Block this email address. Future messages from Moodscope will be marked as spam. So once you click on block, the user will be blocked. If you want to remove them from block, what you need to do is go to settings, and you can filter the blocked addresses. So the following email addresses are blocked. Select on the email address and click on unblock selected address. So again, it will ask for a confirmation message. Click on unblock and that's it. This is how you block and unblock a user or someone in Gmail. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks.